Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create interlocking letters logo in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have simply selected a blank template. Now we are going to click on text and then headings. We are going to type D and then we are going to type C as well. C, right? We can change the font as well, so I'm going to change the font because this must be in that format that it can easily get interlocked, right? Okay, now we are going to change the color of this C to light bluish shade, right? And then we are just going to copy it, create a new page, paste it, and then click on save, download, transparent background, only the current page I want to download, and I will click on download. Okay, save. I will come back onto my main page and here I will simply upload that C file. So I have clicked on open. Now I will select that one, right? And I will send this C to backward, layer, send to back. Now I will just adjust the image as per my requirement first, so that if I increase or decrease the size, then nothing big can happen, right? Else it create issue. Okay, both the C's are in the back. Okay, let me bring this layer to front. Okay, so this is done. We can increase or decrease the size if you find any mistake. Okay, done. Okay, you can zoom in to fix it if you find any kind of issue, right? Okay, so your interlocking logo is ready, right? You can download it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.